Please like, subscribe, and put on your notification. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth and I'm a tutoring teacher for mathematics. Today we'll be looking at approximation. And the first thing we'll look at is significant figures. Significant figures of a number is the first non-zero number to your left. Is the first non-zero number to your left. So for example, find the first significant figure of 0.074. The first significant figure of this number is 7, because 7 is the first non-zero number from the left. If you have to find the first significant figure of 1054, for example, the first significant number or figure of this particular number is 1. Now, the next part that we're going to learn here is how to approximate a number to the first significant figure. The first example we'll be looking at is 0.074. 0.074. What is the first significant number in this particular number? We have 7. 7 is the first significant figure. Now what do? We take the second number from the left. After 7 is 4. Whenever this second number is greater than 5, greater or equal to 5, you add 1 to the number, to the first significant number. But whenever it's less than or equal to 5, you leave it as it is. Now what are we talking about here? 0.074. 4 is less than 5. So we leave this 0.07 as it is. Your answer is 0.07. This is the answer when you approximate this particular number to the first significant figure. Now another example, if you are given 704 and you are asked to approximate 704 to the first significant figure. What is the first significant figure here? You have 7. 7 is the first significant figure. Like we did in the other example, you look at the next number. The next number is 0. 0 is less than 5. So what do? We leave 7 as it is. We are not going to change anything. The answer becomes 7. Then all other numbers become 0. 700. So this is the answer for approximating 704 to the first significant figure. Now let's look at another example. We have 751. 751. We have to approximate this to one significant figure. Like we've been doing, the first significant figure is 7. The number after 7 is 5. And 5 is greater or equal to 5. That means anything from 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So now 5 is greater or equal to 5. So what do? We add 1 to 7. And when you add 1 to 7, you have 8. Then the rest becomes 0. So this is the answer when you are approximating 751 to one significant figure. When we want to approximate to two significant figures, we follow the same steps. You understand? We look for the first significant figure in that number. Then you look at the next number. You look at the second significant figure rather. Then you look at the next number after the second significant figure. Then you do the magic. Let's look at an example quickly. If you want to approximate 2684 to two significant figures. We want to approximate 2684 to two significant figures. What do? What's the first significant figure? 2. The second significant figure is 6, right? This is the second significant figure. Now, what is the number after 6? You have 8. Now, we all know that 8 is greater than 5. So what do? We add 1 to the number before 8, becomes 7, and all other numbers become 0. Your 2 still remains. So approximating 2684 to two significant figures, we have 2700. You can see that our answer just have two significant figures, 2 and 7, the rest are zeros. So that is how to approximate to two significant figures. Now another way to approximate 2684 is by drawing something that looks like a number line to compare the numbers. You understand? So if you draw this and you put 2600, you put maybe 2650 and 2700, for example. 2650 to 700. Now 2684, is it closer to 2600 or closer to 2700? Now we know 2684 will be in between this and this, maybe here 2684. So from this table, from this number line sort of a thing, we know that 2684 is closer to 27 than 26. So from there you can conclude that 2700 is the approximated form of 2684 to two significant figures. I hope you enjoyed this class and I hope you learned something. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this.